Hey YouTube, good morning. This is Lewis with Rosebuds Travels. This morning I'm going to be doing an install on a 2009 Casita. That's a vintage model. And I actually have two installs to do today. It's a little cooler this morning. I think it's around 40 degrees now, so it's a little cool. This is my setup to do the install. I have all my tools here. I have everything I need to build the frame, put the frames in, and take off the door and get that all going. So I'll check in a little bit and show you, but this is the first customer. Got here at 9 o'clock, and we're going to get a closet in for him. Well, YouTube, I'm done with this install. I tell you that this particular install is in a 2009. This particular one would drive a do-it-yourselfer to drink, because there was a lot of editing, of cutting of shelves and recutting of shelves, even though I know what I'm doing, but it was a little involved. So that is just another example of some of them are easier and some of them are a little more difficult. And this one was a little more difficult, just because of the nature of the shape of the trailer. But there you go, it's all done. And on these I move the fire extinguisher. On the old ones I move them down to the bottom of the platform. That's just a logical place because it's mounted on the board behind the door on the model anyway, so I just move it. Here's the happy owner of this camper. This is my next closet install. They just arrived. So we're gonna get it backed in, and I'm gonna work on it. We'll see in a bit. This is the finished closet. This one went about like expected. All the pieces had to be trimmed, but it wasn't a real difficult one. Here are the happy owners of this new closet. There's our second client for the day. We just put their closet in a brand new Casita. Another happy customer, and they're taking off. Yeah, it's a fresh Casita with a brand new closet. So there they are, happy campers.